Welcome to day 11 of Montavilla Sewing's 12 Days of Christmas giveaway.
Today we're coming from our Gresham location, home of friendly faces, great machines, and our newest manager.
That's right. Today we're featuring Maggie, and she's going to show us the brand new Brother Aveneer sewing machine.
This thing is so incredible. It actually has a special feature that lets you make Christmas ornaments right on the machine.
Wow, what?
But don't worry, Maggie's going to walk us through that.
Okay. For now, today's giveaway
Is a 1-month subscription to OESD Spree.
Okay, what's that?
Well, Maggie's going to explain that also.
Okay, so stick around and check out the Brother Aveneer and make sure you enter today's giveaway.
Welcome to day 11 from Gresham. Well, I'm coming to you right now from the Gresham's location, and I'm here with Maggie.
How's it going, Brett?
It's going well. Now, Maggie, you've been with us how long now?
About, what, 8 years?
Okay.
Since like 2018?
Okay.
Been a little while.
And we just recently, you left just the sales floor and you became a store.
I've been store manager out here at Gresham since this summer, so about going on 6 months.
Okay. I got a question for you.
Mm-hmm.
I know this is going to throw you off a little bit, but since working at Montavilla, what is something that has been something you've learned about the sewing industry you had no idea about?
I didn't know about machine embroidery much before I started at Montavilla, and oh boy, howdy, is it the funnest thing under the sun.
You love embroidery.
Oh, you can make cool things.
Yeah.
You can embellish whatever you want.
Yeah.
Takes a little bit of work on pants. You got to do some seam ripping first, but I love embroidery machines and machine embroidery.
You know what I loved? You actually did a video about a different machine, not the one we're going to talk about today, about making a wedding dress on a machine.
Oh yeah, I made my wedding dress on my machine.
Now we're going to switch gears though a little bit.
Yeah.
We're going to talk about
One of my favorite coworkers.
the brother here, right?
Oh yeah.
Now tell me about, what do you love about the brother?
So, super huge hoops.
Okay.
Really easy to just pull up a design, flip it around, put a bunch of designs into the hoop together. And then it's got a cool thing called My Design Center.
My Design Center.
My Design Center, which lets you, good morning machine. It lets you do your own simple digitizing. What I was using it for is I like quilting.
Mm-hmm.
I can't free motion worth a darn.
Okay. Well, most of us can't,
Yeah.
but we pretend.
Right, but for making these cool things, I needed to quilt a whole hoop, but I had IQ designer. So all I did was made my shape, the whole hoop shape. I did 10 and 5/8 by 10 and 5/8. That's like 2.5 of these ornaments in one hooping.
Okay.
And then pick your fun fill, all sorts of fun fills, and you can just make that motif fill your whole hoop.
So you fill your whole hoop with a quilting motif.
Yeah.
So that could be like your whole block.
That could be your whole block.
So this is like a quilting machine on a...
Yeah, it can be a sewing machine, it can be an embroidery machine, and it can do quilting for you.
Wow, that's cool.
Right? And then you don't have to be good at free motion, and you don't have to pay the long armor.
Yeah.
And, oh, it's so fun.
Yeah. Now, one thing that's exclusive to Brother, I think is interesting too, from my standpoint, is that it has a bunch of Disney designs built into it.
That too.
So embroidery-wise, it doesn't just have your basic flowers
Oh, no.
and holiday stuff, but it also has
Mickey and Minnie and
all the...
Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, everyone's favorite.
Yeah, so it does have a lot of those other things
Yeah.
too. So if you have grandkids who are really into
Right.
Disney, this is a great machine
Right, you
for
can put Mickey on the Christmas stockings.
Yeah, yeah, that's right. You could do that. That's kind of cool.
It's super fun.
Yeah. Okay, so now with Design Center, you did something here. You came up, you took them and actually made Christmas ornaments, your own Christmas ornaments?
I made my own Christmas ornaments. I made my own fabric for these ornaments, and that's where My Design Center came in.
I don't understand how you did that, actually. I'm serious about that.
So, you hoop a layer of organza,
Okay,
sticky wash away on top of it. So those get put in the hoop together.
okay.
You do your basting line around your hoop, and then you fill that sticky wash away stabilizer with all sorts of little scraps. We all have scraps sticking around.
That's
Yeah.
cool.
And then iridescent mylar for the sparkle. And then a layer of organza on top. Do that fill that we made in My Design Center. And then to make the actual ornaments, I did follow a recipe. OESD has the best designs.
Okay.
And their directions are so easy to follow.
So today we're giving away something called OESD Spree.
Oh, OESD Spree.
Yeah, what is Spree?
So OESD, embroidery company, stabilizers, designs, etc., etc. OESD Spree is like a cool kids club, a subscription. So once a month, you get sent like, I think when I counted to do the math here, I'm like, there was like 7 design collections, and they're usually like themed for the next upcoming sewing season. So you get like your Halloween ones in September, and your Thanksgiving ones for Halloween, and your Christmas ones for November. But you get a collection of OESD design collections.
Yeah, so you get like, was it 7 collections a month?
Yeah, about.
And the value of 1 month is?
It's like, I did the math, it's like $250.
So if you had a whole year of Spree,
$3,000.
about $3,000 value, right? But we're gonna give away 1 month, which is $250 value.
Nice.
Yes, and so for watching this video, we're gonna give one away tomorrow. But first of all, before we talk about how we're gonna give this away, do you have a favorite Christmas memory? I've been asking everybody this question.
So one of my favorite Christmas memories, I was probably about 4. And it was, you know in the month leading up to Christmas, how your parents ask you what you want for Christmas. My dad was like, Maggie, what do you want for Christmas? I looked him dead in the eyes and I said, Dad, I want a big cardboard box. My mom got a dishwasher that Christmas. So when I walked down the stairs Christmas morning, under the tree, I saw a really big box. I went, that's my present. It said to Maggie and Mom, but I'm like, Mom gets whatever's inside. I don't care about that. I can't wait to make fun memories with that box, because when you're 4, a big box can be anything.
That's funny. Okay, so today, what is our secret code word that everyone has to know for tomorrow's OESD Spree giveaway?
So our secret code word is ornament.
Okay, ornament. I'll try not to make it plural. Ornament.
Ornament singular.
Singular. Okay, that is our secret code word. So watch us tomorrow for day 12. Thank you. Thank you, Maggie, so much for taking time with us today.
Have fun and Merry Christmas. Happy sewing, everyone.
And that wraps up day 11 here at our Gresham location.
Huge thank you to Maggie for showing us just a portion of what the Brother Aveneer can do.
Seriously, I'm still wrapping my mind around the fact that a sewing machine can make decorations.
Yeah, and don't forget that today's giveaway for a 1-month subscription to OESD Spree.
Now that I know what that is.
And if you don't, just come in and ask Maggie. We're so glad you joined us today, and we can't wait to see you for day 12.
The grand finale.
Yes, and so Merry Christmas and happy sewing from the 2 of us.